آئی کا استعمال کرتے ہوئے پاکستان کا کچا چٹھا اس کے سامنے رکھا. انہوں نے کہا کہ پاکستان عادی مجرم بن گیا ہے. پاکستان ہندوستان کے
Pakistan has become a habitual offender when it comes to misusing this august forum to peddle baseless. Organizations are well aware that Pakistan does so to deflect the international community's attention away from its own abysmal record on human rights. We reiterate, are purely internal to India. Pakistan has no locus standi to comment on our domestic matters, as for venturing to point a finger at the world's largest democracy. A glaring example of the systemic violence against minorities in Pakistan against the minority Christian community in Jaranwala in Pakistan's Faisalabad district in August 2023, where a total of 19 treatment has been meted out to the Ahmadiyyas, whose places of worship have been demolished. The condition of women belonging to according to a recent report published by Pakistan's own Human Rights Commission, from minority communities are subjected to abduction and forced conversion and marriage in Pakistan, patron to the largest number of internationally proscribed terrorist entities. And instead of engaging in technical sophistry, we call upon Pakistan to action against the perpetrators of the Mumbai terror attacks, whose victims await justice even after 15 years. The actions that Pakistan needs to take are threefold. First, stop cross-border terrorism and shut down its infrastructure of terrorism. Second, vacate Indian territories under its illegal and forcible occupation. And third, stop human rights violations against the minorities in Pakistan. I thank you, Mr. President.
اور اسی کے ساتھ اس بلیٹن میں فی الحال اتنا ہی، لیکن نیوز 18